Okay, standing here looking out our posada. Got all the electric for the place coming in the backside, but the key thing is we gotta eat, and we planned on grilling chicken. Yes, that noise you hear is raindrops on the roof. So, what do? Well, I guess you figure out how to do the grilling inside. So that's where we're at with this one today. Yep, still raining. I'm still cooking. As you can see in that picture, I'm cooking this under the shelter in what I call my red hot, because it really is. If you get charcoal in here going, it's so hot you got to really be turning the grill and flipping chicken. But there it is, on the way. Yeah, now that's what I'm talking about. The winds pick back up, so it'll keep my coals stoked up pretty good. I can close the lid on this thing and concentrate all that applewood smoke. So the trick to cooking on this little red hot is simply spin the grill about every 5 minutes, 6 minutes. You got to tend it because it's really hot. But if you keep spinning that grill, look what it looks like. Y'all stick back. Now I know we begin to develop a feel for when this stuff is done, but remember guys, we're looking for a temperature of around, focus camera, around 165 or so for poultry such as chicken. So let's not be making anybody sick out there. And for a little different flavor, while you're grilling and cooking whatever meat you're cooking, what about roasting a few vegetables alongside of them? These bell peppers take on a wonderful flavor when they've been roasted. And yes, now it's raining even harder, but that's okay. We threw a kamal on the grill. We'll grill up some onions in here with a little virgin olive oil in the pan, just to go along with the bell peppers and the chicken. And just so y'all understand, I don't do all the cooking and grilling, okay? It just occurred to me this video didn't have so far Brenda doing any of the cooking and grilling, and you can see what she's got going on here now. Remember those bell peppers we roasted earlier? Well, they're on the onions on the kamal, along with, yeah, there it is. It's coming into the picture. The grilled chicken we grilled earlier too. Oh, this just gets better and better. Better and better. She throwed a little patter of butter into the kamal with the onions and the peppers and the grilled chicken, and yeah, this is going to be some good stuff right here. That's a sizzle and a raindrop. What else do you do on a rainy Saturday except grill out? Y'all get out, be safe, and go adventure.